Namaste. We are at the Consulate General of India in Brisbane celebrating India's 79th Independence Day. This morning, the tricolour flag was hoisted with pride and emotion. What is really striking about this particular get-together and reception is that there are people here from all walks of life. So, in Australians of Indian origin, there are community leaders, dignitaries, students. So, the representation of the community is wide, and this is what we're here for. It was a beautiful program this morning. Once the flag was unfurled by the Consul General, Mrs. Neetu Bagotia, she then went on to read the President's speech as is tradition with these ceremonies. The main themes of this year's speech were youth empowerment and women empowerment, all about Naya Bharat. So some really good points that were brought up during the speech. There was a mention of Operation Sindoor as well. Once the speech was done, there were a couple of short performances, a couple of schoolgirls who performed some patriotic songs in the most melodious voice. We had some impromptu performances from the audience as well. We had Madhu Khanna ji who recited a short poem. So just a beautiful, heartfelt morning filled with the community spirit, filled with patriotism and chants of Vande Mataram and Jai Bharat just taking over this entire space. So I have with me Mr. Ram Mohan. So I just want to ask you, on this occasion of India's 79th Independence Day, what does Independence Day mean to you personally?
I personally very connected, and really this is one of the things, the first time we have this celebration in Brisbane with the Consul General of India here, and it's a great occasion to see our diaspora community come together, support this event, and it's a great to be here, and it's part of these things. And thanks for Indo-Us TV, what you all doing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I can definitely see the pride in your eyes. Happy Independence Day to you.
Thank you. Independence Day.
We have some very active people from the community here. So Pushpinder ji, first over to you. You're like one of the Gold Coast representatives at this event today. Can you tell me, an event like this, how does it strengthen India-Australia ties?
I think it gives a very close cultural relationship together, India and Australia. It gives us the opportunity for the Indian diaspora to be a part of the Australian community, and that the Australian people know also what India is all about, what this Indian independence is all about, and it's sacrifice for so many people, and we got the independence.
I'm here now with one of my most favorite people in the community, Dr. Preeti Suraj, who's also the president of the FICQ, or the Federation of Indian Communities of Queensland. Now, Preeti ji, I know you always like to know in advance what I'm going to ask you, but I like to keep it candid. I guess my question to you is really simple. What are some of the values and traditions that you as an Indian like to keep alive while living in this multicultural society?
Thank you, Sharmeen, and thank you, Indo-Us TV, for interviewing us here in the Independence Day celebration at the Consulate General of India, Brisbane office. We had a good celebration here. The tradition and the culture I would like to preserve, these kind of celebrations, which we need to transfer to our next generation and make them aware that how this and what are the causes why we are celebrating this. That's where I will point out in the first instance.
That's a great answer, and very much in line with the message of the President's speech today, all about youth empowerment. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. You are very involved with community events through the year. If you had to pick one favorite festival of yours, what would that be?
आई वुड डेफिनेटली से इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आके मुझे लगता है पूरा भक्ति भाव जाग जाता है। लगता है कि हमारे जो सेना के लोग सारी बॉर्डर्स पे लड़ रहे हैं, ओ माय गॉड, हम लोग कितने प्रोटेक्टेड है यहाँ पे आके। हालांकि हम लोग ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हैं, बट फिर भी इंडिया में हमारी फैमिली प्रोटेक्टेड है उनकी वजह से। सो आई थिंक इट मीन्स अ लॉट। ये वाले फेस्टिवल में भक्ति भाव बस फूट फूट के जाग जाता है। आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट। Thank you so much.
I'm here now with Madhu Khanna ji. Madhu ji, I really loved the poem that you recited during the proceedings this morning. Now, what I want to ask you is, Madhu ji, who is there a historical figure, a freedom fighter, a poet, or singer who inspires you personally in this context of patriotism?
देखिए, जहाँ तक देशभक्ति का सवाल है, देशभक्ति मन में बसती है और जो देश से प्यार करता है वो तिरंगे से प्यार करता है। इससे बढ़ के कोई और बात नहीं हो सकती। आज की जो कविता थी वो श्यामलाल गुप्त पार्षद की लिखी हुई है, जो कि 1930 के करीब के आसपास की है। और उन कविता की पंक्तियों के द्वारा ही मैं आपको केवल 2 पंक्तियाँ बोलूँगी। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला। तो आज 15 अगस्त के दिन पे मैं केवल एक ही जो है सभी को एक मैसेज बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो सभी को देना चाहूँगी कि हम भारत के विभिन्न धागों से गुंथे हुए हैं। हम एक गुंधी हुई रंगीन चादर हैं और अगर हम एकता के साथ रहें, इससे बढ़ के क्या बात हो सकती है। और एकता ही हमें यहाँ आगे लेके जाएगी।
Now, Yusuf ji, last one for you. When they were calling on people there to, sing a song or do something, आप नहीं गए, and I was personally rooting for you. So now my question to you is कि, Bollywood तो हमारे सब रग रग में है. So which is your most favorite patriotic song? And अगर आप गा के बताएंगे तो our viewers at Indus TV will be very happy.
जी, मेरा जो फेवरेट है ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जो सोनाली सुनाई थी, तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ।
जी।
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगाओ नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहराए तिरंगा प्यारा। पर मत भूलो सीमा पर, वीरों ने है जान गवाई, तुम याद उन्हें भी कर लो, तुम याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए।
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
I just want to add one more thing. This is called Indian Independence Day. Hindu, Muslim and Sikh
Yes.
together.
And I'm a Muslim married to a Christian, so मैं भी आ जाऊँ।
Yeah, Christian also.
True embodiment of the Indian
Yeah.
spirit.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Jai Ho.
Jai
And
Hind.
that's the unity of India. And we're all very proud to be Indian.
Bilkul, you couldn't have summed it up better. Yusuf ji, thank you so much. I could see Tanvi ji almost tearing up there because itna emotion tha, so beautiful. Thank you so much and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. I have with me Pankaj Agarwal ji, very active community member. अगर मैं इनका introduction दूंगी तो मुझे 5 मिनट लग जाएंगे. Pankaj ji, you do so much for the community. I just want to take a moment to acknowledge that. Now on this occasion, I want to just ask you कि हम सबके बच्चे हैं and इस साल का theme about the president's speech was all about youth empowerment. What do you think the youth of today, like the young Australian Indian जो generation है, what is it that you would like them to learn?
I would like to really say that our youth generation, which is originally from India, they should really retain their moral and values which come from India, and celebrating Indian festival as well, keeping our tradition alive here. And as they are living in Australia, so definitely both countries have a good friendship and good relationship. So we always respect that relationship, and youth always respect both the cultures, both the traditions. Being originally from India, it's our duty as well to retain our culture and values, and same time then we do service in Australia as well, all the community services as too. So I think that should be the great vision everyone should have, and that's like ultimately gives the empowerment to youth as well, because when they have those qualities, they will definitely prosper.
Thank you so much, Pankaj, for sharing your thoughts with us. I think definitely we are very fortunate to have this blended culture. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you.
So moving on to a little lighter note now. जैसे कि हम कुछ देर पहले we were talking about Bollywood with some of the people we spoke to. When we talk about Independence Day, what are some of your most favorite Bollywood movies जो आप इस theme से associate करते हो?
The first one come to my mind is The Border. Border is always very close to my heart because it's a very emotional and a combination of the soldiers, and then we can see how soldiers have sacrificed for our country and what they have done, and this is always coming first in my mind.
But yeah, is there a song from Border that you'd like to sing for our viewers today?
Yes.
Let's go.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है.
But yeah, thank you so much for joining us today, Pooja. Thank you. And finally, to wrap up this morning, I have with me Consul General of India in Brisbane, Mrs. Neetu Bagotia. Always a pleasure to see you, Neetu ji. It was really nice जिस emotion से आपने president की speech आज share किया. But I want to ask you, what is, if you had a message for the Indian diaspora in Australia, what would your personal message be?
Well, first of all, I would like to congratulate all Indian Australians, friends of India, a very happy Independence Day. It's a great day for us, and a day when we remember all those who sacrificed their lives for the country. And it's a day as a reminder to us all that we have duty towards the motherland, and I think it's great. And today we had this celebration at the consulate, and you can see the enthusiasm of the people, how happy they were, how passionate they were, and as if patriotism भर के सब में भरा हुआ, and they were just wanted some कहाँ पे उसको उजागर करें, and it was so beautifully we did that. Today I read out President's extract, the address which he gave to the country, so I read few extracts from there. Well, about the message, I think today India is growing. It's the world's largest democracy. It's the fourth largest economy in the world at the moment, and we all stand here as proud Indians. And I think आप जब भी अपने country के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो you should always remember that we are one of the world's oldest civilization, and we have given so much to the world, so for which we have to be proud of. आप अपने बच्चों को, अपनी younger generation को बताएं कि India was the country which was once called the golden sparrow. तो जो आप आज देख रहे हैं, after 78 years of independence, what we are doing, and this country still standing strong, standing with pride, and I think हम सभी को अपने देश पे बहुत गर्व होना चाहिए, and in any possible way we can help out in the growth story, in the India's growth story, we should contribute towards that.
So nice, you couldn't have said it better. Now एक light वाली question मैं आपको पूछती हूँ, light hearted वाली. Do you have a favorite Bollywood poem या कोई भी, not necessarily Bollywood, but कोई भी गीत हो या कोई poem हो जो आपके साथ बहुत resonate करती है in terms of patriotism?
Okay. And there's one song which I really loved from the movie Manikarnika. देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए.
बढ़िया. Thank you so much for joining us, Neetu ji. Always a pleasure to chat with you, and thank you so much. So this beautiful wall that you can see here behind me is artwork that has been drawn on by little kids, right? I can see there's a 6-year-old drawing here. There's a drawing here by a 10-year-old girl. So some beautiful images here. This was a drawing competition that was organized for this particular event, and the theme was Incredible India. So they did pick 3 winners for this. It's been a lovely morning, talking all about culture, resilience, unity. Definitely those themes are in the air, celebrating India's 79th Independence Day. As we stand here today, it's not just about remembering the past, it's about celebrating the present and preparing for the future in our beautiful multicultural society of Australia. Proud to be Indian, proud to be Australian. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.